Hello again, Dr. Holbert with Holbert Family Orthodontics. We're on day 6 of being out of school, and officially today we are out of school for the rest of the year. We're not really sure how to feel about that. I know how I feel about that. They have mixed feelings. But our Brawl Star 3D print has been completed, and so we are ready. You can see all the pieces in place, a little drippy with the resin. We're going to flip it up here. We're going to take it off. And we can see our completed parts and pieces. Now we need to break all these guys off, trim them up, clean them up a little bit, cure them with a UV light, and then we'll assemble pieces, and we will have Rico and Spike to take care of. What do you think, guys? Exciting? Mm-hmm. All right, until we're complete, we will come back and see the final product.